Hello everyone and welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto scroll on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Tap the home button at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. Once you are in your For You page, click and hold the video for a few seconds and a box will appear. Select the Auto Scroll button. Now TikTok will automatically scroll the videos for you once a video is complete. And that's it. That is how you enable auto scroll on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.